Hello, Mindy.
Okay. I'm gonna need to see some identification.
Really? Makes me feel young again.
We've all been there. It's a tale as old as time that resonates with all of us. It was your first high school party. You just wanted to be cool, and how else to do that besides buying alcohol?
Wait, you changed your name to McLovin?
That's right. We've got super bad and super good school lunches, and we're making shots with Goldschlager.
I'll do it, kid.
Never had a choice.
Today we've got every high schooler's dream. We've got a little bit of Fireball going into a shot glass. We've got some Goldschlager going in right on top of that. And we're just gonna do equal parts of each one of these. MALIBU. And then a little bit of rum shot going in here.
All right, that's good.
And since we're not animals, we're just gonna go ahead and give this a nice little mix up. And then we've got a nice little snickerdoodle shot.
How old are you, McLovin?
Old enough.
Old enough for what?
It's a party.
Now that we've got our snickerdoodle shot done, we're working on an improved high school lunch. We're gonna start that with some chicken nuggets. We've got some chicken cutlets here. We've got our breading station done. We're just gonna drop these in the flour here. And what you're gonna wanna do is have one dry hand and one wet hand. We're gonna flip these, drop them in our batter here. And if you wanna know how do we make our batter, check out our Princess Fried recipe. Now that we've gotten all of our chicken tenders breaded up, we're gonna start on our mozzarella sticks. We're gonna do it almost the exact same way that we did all of our chicken tenders. We're gonna roll them in our flour. Make sure to keep one dry hand and one wet hand. We're gonna toss those in our egg wash and buttermilk. And the only difference here is we're actually gonna bread these twice because you don't want any of the cheese to melt out while you're frying it.
Contain yourself!
While we're waiting for our oil to warm up, we've tossed some green beans on the stove. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper sauce to those.
Tight.
Once the oil's good and warmed up, we're gonna add in our chicken nuggets and our mozzarella sticks.
Am I gonna be a chef? No.
Now, what would cafeteria food be without some brain food iceberg lettuce salad? We're just gonna thinly cut this, toss our iceberg lettuce to the side, finely chop it, add it to our tray here. Then we're just gonna finely chop a little bit of purple onion to toss on there, top it off with some carrots. And what's better for an iceberg salad than a big ol' helping of ranch dressing?
Give it a chance.
Our oil's right at about 350. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drop in our chicken nuggets and our mozzarella sticks. And what we're looking for at this is just a nice little shallow fry. And you wanna make sure to not crowd the pan too much. And you wanna be real ginger whenever you're dropping these in.
Looks like the most fun I've ever seen in my entire life.
Once these are at a golden brown, we're gonna pull them out, set them on a drying rack, and then we'll start our mini chicken parmesans.
Just relax, okay? Let's make this right.
Now that we've got our chicken nuggets done, we've just topped them off with a little bit of fresh grated mozzarella. That way it'll act as a barrier for the sauce. And then we're gonna add a little bit of sauce to the top buns here. And then we're gonna toss these in the oven just to roast up for just a second and let all that cheese melt.
All right, I'll give it another shot.
We've got our high school lunch here complete with iceberg lettuce salad, mozzarella sticks, snickerdoodle cookie, green beans, and mini chicken parmesans. And for after hours, we've got our snickerdoodle shot. Now it's time for family dinner.
Shit! Bail, bail, bail! Shotgun!
One more great Griffithgoods and Spirits content. Well, hit us up with a like, subscribe, and click that bell in order to be invited to the next family dinner. This is delicious. Some good stuff. Since we're not animals like every high schooler, that's stupid. That's real stupid. While we're waiting for our oil to warm up,
Don't trust the police, no justice, no